Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video I will be showing you how to create your own creative map. So how you can build a 1v1 map, how you can build a practice map, anything you like, or just a free-for-all map, or just something to play with your friends. So let's hop on Fortnite, and then the first thing you want to do when you're in the lobby is click onto Creative Mode. You can find this right here under the Buy Epic section. Just click on this arrow and then click on Creative, select that, and now press play. While we're loading in, make sure to drop a like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, any videos you want to see in the future, just drop a comment down below and I'll be happy to answer them and make any videos for you. We will also be going over how to publish creative maps in the future. That's a quite complicated process where you have to be careful, but now I'll just show you how you can make a creative map and how you can start off setting your map up. So once you're in creative, you want to go over to this right here, this console, and here you can select what island you want to hop into. If you want to create a new island, click on Create New, and then you can select from all of these islands right here. For my practice map that I just published, I use this one right here, and you can use anything right here. And that's what your map will look like. You can use templates like this that are already pre-made, some Lego Fortnite templates. So yeah, you just select what you want to do and then press confirm, and that'll make the island, and then it'll show up right here. You'll be able to choose the island name. You can also see deleted islands right here if you deleted any accidentally, and then once you've found the one that you want to play, you just click on it and press set portal, and then you can see Coach Philip's practice map. If you want to play this map, I just published it. You can see the code right here. Really great for practicing, editing, building, peak shots, and piece control. So let's hop in here. This is where you spawn, and now you can set up your creative map. So you can see I chose this right here. Here the different buildings are already built, and to start building things, the first thing you want to do is get out your phone. You can see the keybind below the phone on the bottom left. That's V for me. So I press V, and now I can copy things. You can see all of the things you can do on the left. So copy, cut, you can fly with space, you can fly, change your flying speed, you can delete stuff. So you can do all of that. And then press your inventory button if you want to find any templates that you can use. So here you can see all the things that you can choose. These are already finished houses. Then you can also, in galleries, you can find like just different types of walls, different types of stairs. If you're building a parkour or edit map, you might want to choose a different color right here, or you might want to use these stones. So there's different things you can select here, and then you just click this, click on equip. Now it's in your inventory. You can see it in my first slot. Now you can see if I press place now, it'll place down right there. So I just left click on my mouse, and then I have all these things there, and then I can use my phone to copy singular things and place them down somewhere else and create ramps like this, for example. So that's really everything you need to know about the basics of starting to build, and we will go into more detail in future videos. So have fun and comment down below if you have any questions.